How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Today I am here to take your math class. As you all know, in math, our chapter number 11, patterns is going on. In patterns, we have already done the unit of patterns. Yes, today I am going to tell you about increasing pattern. Increasing pattern. You know what is the increasing pattern? Yes. You don't know what is the increasing pattern? Yes, I know. You all know what is the increasing pattern. Look at the numbers written on the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here you can observe something. Yes. Here you can see I have written the numbers in increasing order. And what is the increasing order? Yes. The increasing order is step by step the number will be increased, going bigger. Step by step the number will be going bigger. Okay, that is called increasing pattern or increasing number. Look at here. Here we are following the rule adding 1. Every time you can observe we add 1 in each number. In each number we add 1. Okay, look at here. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. And 9 plus 1 is 10. You can see when we add plus 1, every time numbers are increasing. The numbers are increasing. Okay? Look at here. You can see here what numbers are written? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You can see here 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. And here we add every time 2. We add every time 2. Here we are following the rule adding 2 for making the increasing pattern. Look at here how to add 2 in each number to get the increasing number. Look at here 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. When we add 2 in 4 it will be 6. When we add 2 in 4 it will be 6. And when we add 2 in 6 it will be 8. And when we add 8 in 2 it will be 10. Every time we add 2 in each number and we get a pattern of increasing number. This is the rule of adding 2. This is the rule of adding 2 to get a increasing pattern. Now we are moving on to book exercise. Take out your books and open the page number 181. I have explained you about this pattern on the board. Yes, it is already explained you. Now we are moving on these given patterns. How to do these patterns. Okay. Look at here. What is the given? Take 2 forward jumps every time to complete this pattern. Here we have to add 2 every time when we taken the jumps. Okay, then we have to write the number here. When we add plus 2, here we are going to follow the rule of addition. Means here we have to add 2 in 20. And how to add 2 in 20? We have to count 2 numbers forward after 20. Let's start. What number will come? Which number will come after 20? 20, 21, 22. Which number here we got? 22. If we add 2 in 20, we can get 22. We will get 22. Now move forward. When we add plus 2 in 22, it will be 24. And when we add plus 2 in 24, it will be 26. And when we add plus 2 in 26, it will be 28. And when we add plus 2 in 28, it will be 30. Here we are doing addition. We are adding 2 in each number. Okay? And then you can get the answer. Okay? It is here we are following the pattern of forwarding 2 jumps. Okay? Now look at the next one. Take 5 forward jumps every time to complete the pattern. Here we have to take 5 jumps every time. Okay? Look at here how to take the 5 jumps every time. Here we have to count 5. Here we have to add 5 to get the another number. If we add 5 in 5, it means here we will get 10. Here we will get 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. And when we add plus 5 in 10, it will be 15. And when we add plus 5 in 15, it will be 20. And when we add 5 plus in 20, it will be 25. And we add 5 in 25, it will be 30. Here we are following the pattern of plus 5. Here we are forwarding, taking jumps of 5. Okay. Now look at the next one. That is the last one. Take 10 forward jumps every time to complete this pattern. Look at here. 30 plus we have to take 10 forward jumps. Okay. And which number we can get? Which number we will get? 40. When we add 10 in 30, it will be 40. And when we add 10 in 40, it will be 50. And when we add 10 in 50, it will be 60. And when we add 10 in 60, it will be 70. And when we add 10 in 70, it will be 80. And when we add 10 in 80, it will be 90. Here we are following the pattern of taking 10 forward jumps. Okay. So making your concept clear, now we are going to do one activity.
Yes, now you can see here so many cones. Yes, as I told you, we are going to do an activity. Okay, to tell you how we can arrange the numbers in increasing order and how we can follow the increasing pattern. Okay, now you can see the numbers written on the cones: 10, 20, 60, 30, 40, 50. Now we have to arrange these numbers according to this pattern. We have to add 10 in each number. Then we have to arrange these cones in increasing pattern. Okay. Now start the activity. How to do the activity? I will tell you. Now tell me. First cone is 10. You can see here what is the first number? 10. And when we add 10 in 10, it will be, it will be 20. And when we add 10 in 20, it will be, which number will come? 30. After 20, which number will come? 30. And when we add 10 in 30, it will be, which number will come after 30? After 30, 40 will come. And when we add 10 in 40, which number will come? After 40, we have to place And when we add 50 in 10 in 50, it will be 60. Okay. Now observe the pattern here. Observe the pattern of cones. Yes. You can see here we follow the pattern of increasing pattern. Increasing order. And by adding 10. By adding 10. The numbers, when we add 10 in each number, the number like this: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. This is the increasing pattern. Hope you all understood the concept of increasing pattern. Do the exercise at home and revise this page again. Okay. Bye-bye. Take care.